Deep in the heart of a forgotten forest, hidden away from the prying eyes of the modern world, stands an ancient library. Its weathered walls hold countless secrets, and its towering shelves are laden with books that have been lost to time. This is the last library where forgotten memories are stored. It is said that whenever a memory begins to fade from our minds, it is brought here preserved in its ethereal essence, just as the ancient scribes once captured the thoughts and tales of long ago. Here, memories take the form of books, each one a unique and irreplaceable piece of the past. Some tell stories of love and loss, while others document the triumphs and tragedies of entire civilizations. There are even some that contain the secrets of the universe itself, written down by those who dared to unlock its mysteries. The library is guarded by an enigmatic being known only as the Keeper. Its true form is unknown, for no one has ever seen its face. Some say it is a spirit, others claim it is a memory come to life. Whatever its origins, the Keeper is fiercely protective of its domain, allowing only those who are pure of heart to enter. To find this hidden sanctuary, one must first venture into the forgotten forest. Its gnarled trees twist and turn, creating a labyrinth of ancient boughs that hide the path. Many have tried to find the library, but only a few have succeeded. For the forest tests the worthiness of those who seek its secrets, challenging them with illusions and distractions to see if they are truly dedicated to their quest. Once inside, the air grows heavy with the scent of old parchment and decaying wood. The silence is deafening, broken only by the rustling of unseen creatures in the shadows. The shelves stretch as far as the eye can see, filled with books bound in leather, cloth, and even human skin. Each one is a portal to another time and place, a window into the past. As you delve deeper into the stacks, you feel a sense of wonder and awe at the knowledge contained within these forgotten pages. You stumble upon a book that catches your eye, its title promising to unlock the mysteries of the universe. With trembling hands, you open it and begin to read. But suddenly, the room begins to shake, and the sound of thunder echoes through the chamber. The air crackles with energy, and the light from the windows flickers and fades. In the distance, you hear the Keeper's voice booming, warning you that it is time to leave. As you rush to escape, you realize that the forest has changed. The trees are gone, and you are now in a vast desert. Ahead, you see a shimmering oasis, and you know that this is the way out of the library. But as you approach, you feel a sense of unease, for it is not what it seems. The oasis is a mirage, and you are trapped in an endless wasteland. The sun beats down on you, and the wind whispers tales of despair and madness. All around you, the ground is littered with the bones of those who have lost their way. Just when you think you can take it no longer, you see a faint glimmer of light in the distance. With renewed hope, you stumble towards it, and as you get closer, you realize that it is a small cottage nestled between the dunes. As you knock on the door, you hear a voice that seems to come from everywhere and nowhere at once. It bids you enter, and you do. Inside, you find an old woman sitting by a fire. Her eyes are filled with wisdom, and her wrinkled face tells the story of a life well lived. She offers you water and rest, and you gratefully accept. As you sit by the fire, the old woman asks you why you have come to this place. You tell her about the library and the forgotten memories it contains. She nods her head slowly, as if she knew you would come here. Then she tells you that it is time for you to move on, that your journey is at an end. You thank her for her hospitality and bid her farewell. As you step outside, the desert around you begins to fade, and you are back in the forest. In the distance, you can hear the sound of running water, and you follow it until you see a sparkling river. You have found the exit from the forgotten forest, and with it, the last library where forgotten memories are stored. Now, Deep in the heart of a forgotten forest, hidden away from the prying eyes of the modern world, stands an ancient library.